What is up, y'all? It's Reap2Sow FX back again on last trading day. Let's get it. It's Thursday, and we're gonna check the news first. And unfortunately, we logged into our trading view. All of our support and resistance lines are gone, so we're gonna recheck them. I've been on the charts for about 5 to 7 minutes already, just going over them. But let's look at the news first, and then we'll go and dissect the support and resistance levels and double check them, because on news today for Thursday, we have a lot of USD news, as we are in the second week of May already, the second quarter, first month of the second quarter, and getting a lot of bullish momentum so far for most pairs, but for gold, it's been selling, and for Nas, it's been buying mostly. So we're looking for just a lot of volatility today. We also have to be very careful and very strict. Most likely get into a trade at 9 o'clock, so probably be mute for a little minute, but we'll have an idea of what we want to do by going over support resistance. But look, this is what we have for news: core PPI, producer price index, core retail sales, unemployment claims, and Fed Chair Powell speaks. And we got the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index as well, and Empire State Manufacturing Index as well. Then we have capacity utilization rate. This is kind of stuff that's not red folders, but could be an addition to the red folders. Natural gas storage, mortgage delinquencies, which is probably a big thing, which is tentative. So it's tentative. So you just gotta be very aware. It's about housing, things of that sorts. But going into the charts, this is what we have upcoming. So be aware when 8:30, 8:40 comes, because we have news. So all our resistance lines got deleted. So this is what we have so far. So we have to do it all over again, like we were on Sunday structure. So start from the daily, we marked our top zone on top of these wicks. I was gonna play a little down here, but it's cutting through a body. So I'll put this up here for now. Sometimes I feel like I want to do like this instead. Gets the body and the wick at the same time. We'll do that for now for here, but it's not gonna get up here today, so it's okay. And then we have, it's down a little bit. All right, so it became choppy in this area. Actually, I'll extend it. You know what? Does it even look right? Whatever. But it looks like creating higher highs at this point. It's very choppy. It's not even a ranging market at this point. Choppy. It breaks down below. Stops here. It goes up. Then it stops here. Then it goes back up. And then comes back down. So you know what? We'll get rid of the lines. We'll start doing this right now. I really mark this up from a position down here, because I'll show you when we're done marking this up. So it bounced up this area, came down, broke up here. It was impulse, correction, and then continuation. It touched this area again, went up, came down this area, and sold all the way down here. I'm looking for this. Since it brought up, it's been strong. Especially on a 4 hour. We'll go on a 4 hour in a second. Actually, you know what? There's nothing else we really need to mark up. I don't see this pushing past this level. But for the hell of it, we'll just do this right here. This is 2 levels that we're seeing right here. Also got this down here. Whoa. Do you see these lines? These lines just popped out of nowhere. They're just acting slow. No way. That's crazy. So, gold must have them now. Yeah, gold looks like a mess. But our intention for Nas, let's go back to Nas real quick. Whatever, we'll keep it here. I don't see it coming down. This is the 4 hour. But we want that 4 hour to get into buys. We want that 4 hour back at this level. Because when we were down at this level, it bought all the way up here. That's what I'm seeing. It may still buy right now, but I think a 4 hour helps for the RSI to be below or near this Aqua 50 ESE level. It's going to 15. We marked up. And also, look, this one we lost yesterday. It came down. Not came down as much, but it would have been 1 to 3, 1 or 2, whatever. Would have been something substantial at that point. We took the L and we just moved on. It kept going in and out these yellow lines, so hopefully it doesn't do that again. Hopefully what I'm seeing is that it'll impulsively buy up from the news and come back down and sell its way all the way down here. That's what I'm seeing. So we're looking at getting selves, but we're not looking to get buys until the 4 hours correct. Because our 1 hour is in overall trend and our 4 hour isn't. So we'll see if it needs to do, that's what it needs to do. see what the rest of this does. Hope it doesn't sell. I don't like getting into a sell early. I want this to be up here, if anything. So we'll see this pull back. For gold, since we have all our lines back now, I'm seeing this area where, alright, this is the beginning of the week right here. So we sold off here once, came back up, we tested this area, retraced it, whatever, and mostly closed below, kept going. So I'm seeing this touch this area to sell back down. I personally, because of 4 hours underneath here, I don't see buys. But I could be wrong. But I definitely see sells. If it gets, I mean, if it gets over here, it'd be buys, overall buys, but I guess this is the area I wanted to come to. This is the area we bought off of to go all the way up here. We did retrace all the way back where it needed to go. So we'll see how this plays out for gold, but we do want to get into selves. Stuff like we could capitalize off of selves still. The 15 is ready for sell soon. The 1 hour isn't. Just need that. RSI to get pushed up more. Or really price to get pushed up more. RSI price, same thing. Until otherwise, we'll be looking for sells for gold and sells for Nas. I don't see Nas buying anytime soon. Like strong buying, because you're already overbought. On the 4 hour, it's coming down off of that overbought area. I don't feel like getting prematurely. Plus, we're not in the area anyway to sell, personally, and that the 1 hour isn't either. So I'll wait patiently. Try to get above this area, this no trade area, and sell down. But yeah, so far that's what I have for both these pairs, just selling. I know I have the green flag on here, but that's for after it gets to that level down here, because I feel like I see what the market could do. Around this area, just buy back up since it broke it. Sell back down. Probably could touch this area down here and keep going. Touch this aqua down here to sell back up. I mean to buy back up, not sell back up. So continue down here. Then we get something like that. Not saying it's gonna shoot up all the way like that, but may give us a vibe like this. You know what I mean? May give us a vibe like that. So wait and see. I wanted to get in early with Nas, but I'm not gonna take the bait that they have for us, because we have red news coming up. We don't know how strong that's gonna be and which direction it's gonna pick to go. Because that's a lot of red folders, guys. A lot. A lot of red folders. A lot. Yeah, so now we just wait for news and see what's gonna do to the market, and we still have to wait till after 8:40 though. So a lot of sitting around in a sense, but this is what we have. Ideas wise, this is what we have. We just need to see some more buys up for this, and obviously, yeah, we get around this area, the wicks this area. I think it would be good hands to sell. I think this is the area of selling anyway. It's a strong area of selling. It sold here, sold here. Continue to sell here. So this area right here, if I got play us with selves, and then when news comes, we'll probably get some more buys. So that's important to wait for the cross. Yeah, people are waiting for the cross, even though this is like not in session. Wait for the cross right here. Probably put a stop loss up here. See if we get an entry here for Nas to sell. Let's see if it sells first, then buys after. We're getting into one of these trades today though. I feel it. Opportunity is coming. We got about, well, really, technically, we got like a whole 40 minutes left because 9 o'clock is ideal to wait. See if our analysis is correct. That's the biggest thing right now. Let's see if it follows that. patiently right here. Only thing with Nas I'm looking at currently is it's at the lowest point of the day. But the RSI below, this RSI down here is not looking good places to buy anyway. So it's like, why even try to get buys when we know that it needs to sell back down? You know what I'm saying? That's how our analysis is broken down for today. Might change tomorrow or next week. Yeah. This was the area too. I mean, the only thing is good with Nas didn't cross so far. Trusting anything like that. I know gold is gonna keep buying. Either when we test this area or this area. Because it's 280, 3,280. is area selves. So here, so here, so here. 3 sells. It bought. Here comes 8:30 soon. It's actually got here pretty quick. I thought time going by pretty quick. I think you're just using that time wisely here. So far. Two minutes ago. Oh, wait, the 2 minutes like we said, of course. But this is looking kind of good. Didn't think it was going to solve this area. It's right by the pullback zone. That's the only problem I'm seeing. But we'll see exactly what we get for this candle. Let's see what 8:30 has in store for us. Right about now. Seconds ago. Again, a little pullback on so far. We're buying up more on gold. I would love to take sales here. Let's see. I mean, regardless of gold buying up or not, it's no entry for buys. I'm seeing is, I think, I mean, Nas, in my opinion, has the best setup. Because once this goes up for a 4 hour to buy up at that area or that alert, it has to come back and sell down. For Nas, all we have to do is sell down to that aqua. Like I said, though, it was going to buy up. I get a few. I mean, it's not really entry for any of these pairs so far. Anyway, so we had to give it a few. But, yeah. See if right now is this correct. And we don't have to wait. We don't have to wait a whole. I mean, technically, you do to get into something, but 8:45 is gonna bring the aftermath of whatever Chairman Powell says, and his meeting is not only 5 minutes, so it's probably gonna go into 9:30. We have to be very careful. I want to see that 5 minute looks on. Nice. We're up here. Yep, we're up here. Okay. We'll see how this goes. What I just have more confidence in Nas to be 100 with you. I mean, if it hits this area, that'd be cool. It's like whichever one solidifies first. I feel like we could go back past this 50 EMA and 200 EMA. We'll look at the 5 minute for a while, see if we get early entries on selling. But yeah, I don't think we sold down here to make a low 1 hour for no reason. Yeah, on 4 hour. Let's look into that. Gold is playing around. I was done with the same crap as yesterday, where we just playing around the same area, not progressing into any, not progressing to any direction. Because yesterday was crazy. See a retail sales. Point. Expanding burst reverses retail sales. Okay. Employment claims is the same as last forecasted week, forecasted month or week. Oh, I think it was last week we had unemployment claims. Or last month, one of the two. Kind of slow right now. Oh, Chairman Powell speaks about 40 seconds. I mean, not slow, but it bought up. And by enough for us, but it bought up. So we were right. At this point, I feel like my computer gonna break if I do this. Hold on. You know what? We'll play on the phone. Okay. It's crazy. He's going back in time between 2020 and 2019 and after 2019 about how the economy, inflation, supply was, data was.
some elements of it were timeless. Policymakers emerged from the Great Inflation with a clear understanding that it was essential to anchor inflation expectations at an appropriately low level. During the Great Moderation, well-anchored inflation expectations allowed us to provide policy support to employment without risking destabilizing inflation. Since the Great Inflation, the U.S. economy has had 3 of its 4 longest expansions on record. Anchored expectations played a key role in facilitating these expansions. More recently, without that anchor, it would not have been possible to achieve a roughly 5 percentage point disinflation without a spike in unemployment. Keeping longer-run inflation expectations anchored was a driving force behind establishing the 2% target in the 2012 framework. Maintaining that anchor was a major consideration behind the changes in 2020. Anchored expectations are critical to everything we do, and we remain fully committed to the 2% target today. In the current review, the committee is engaged in discussions about what we have learned from the experience of the past 5 years. We plan to complete consideration of specific changes.
We'll wait till 9 o'clock to see what happens. I'll see it could possibly sell here, but we're on top of the 200 EMA. 15 minutes on top of the
In our discussions so far, participants have indicated that they thought it would be appropriate to reconsider the language around shortfalls. And at our meeting last week, we had a similar take on average inflation targeting. We will ensure that our new consensus statement is robust to a wide range of economic environments and developments. In addition to revising the consensus statement, we will also consider potential enhancements to our formal policy communications, particularly regarding the role of forecasts and uncertainty. As we have been reviewing assessments of the 2020 framework and of policy decisions in recent years, a common observation is the need for clear communications as complex events unfold. While academics and market participants generally have viewed the FOMC communications as effective, there is always room for improvement. Indeed, clear communication is an issue even in relatively placid times. A critical question is how to foster.
I think gold's gonna get a fake out sells, go buy back up to sell back down again.
In periods with larger, more frequent, or more disparate shocks, effective communication requires that we convey the uncertainty that surrounds our understanding of the economy and the outlook. We will examine ways to improve along that dimension as we move forward. So let me end by saying thank you again for being here. We've been looking forward to this. All of us have been.
This is the last bit of news, right folder news. So let's see if we get some pushes as he's ending this speech and meeting.
These discussions will help broaden and deepen our thinking about these issues, and they're critical to the success of these reviews. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are going to just roll right into our first paper session today. On the agenda today will be sessions that address the 2 sides of the Federal Reserve's dual mandate, employment and inflation, and also the strategies and tools used to pursue those goals. So I'm going to turn it over to my colleague, Stephanie Aronson.
That's it. That's it for that. Let's see what the market's going to do now. After all of that. Just might sell here now. We'll wait the extra 5 minutes, 10 minutes, see what this does for us. So looks like we get a sell here. Let's close it down here. We'll see where our stop loss would be, but 2.2, yep. I don't see gold selling today. I actually went nice. It's up. Hold on. None of these are in a real position to sell. Like I said, gold probably gonna keep buying up right now until we get to this area. I'm not trusting gold right now. 5 minutes, let me crossing down the yellow LC in the sell zone. We'll wait and see what that comes into in the next 8 minutes or so. The 15-minute time frame isn't in the sell zone, still showing buys. So yeah, still showing buys. Only thing I can see is happening is getting a fully bearish engulfing. This is crossing down here. Yeah, see, I told you on gold we were gonna get this kind of buy up. Yeah, we'll just wait to see if it hits that area. I'm not interested in gold unless it hits that area. So we'll wait for the alarm to hit it. If it doesn't, oh well, move on to next week for gold. But I think now it's definitely gonna sell today. The 15-minute isn't in the sell zone like we want it to be, that's all. I have the capability to sell still. In my opinion, it's on top of this, yeah. So 1 hour is on here. I'll aim for the 800 level. Or 700s. Go ahead and put it somewhere in the south. Give me 750. 770. You're still selling on the 1 hour. 1 hour past the 50. 4 hour has so much room to go down. Don't feel like wasting my energy to get into anything early. Alright, 5 minutes over. Let's see if we get bearish momentum now. This close above here, then it's probably gonna be after 10 o'clock sell. This close above here is, because at this point it should. It wasn't probably realistic to aim up here, but I'll keep this line up here just in case we're right. 4 minutes left to go. But I do want to see some more bulls to kind of push this back down, get this right in the area we need. Since it's solidify itself, I think the 15 is not gonna come into. Once these lines cross the 13 and the 5 EMA, then we'll look at entering. I don't see anything too impulsively happening right now. Got 48 alarms is crazy. I don't know when I have 48 alarms. Maybe the past couple months, maybe. A minute ago. The bulls are definitely in for both pairs that we have in our chart. 40 seconds left. Seconds. Just aim for the 800 level. Call it a day. Oh, the EMA is down here. Just aim for the EMA. Aim for 700. I think 700 is cool. We're not going to touch the EMA, but we can aim for it. Putting that entry on at the 5-minute crosses. 13 and the 5 EMA cross in a 5-minute, I will get in, and then if the 15 in time frame this crosses, then we'll get in again. So we'll wait till that cross solidify itself. Solidify means that it's like stuck below it. I mean, it's both crossed like at the same time, and it's another candle forming basically. Well, I say though, we're most likely getting in the trade after 9 o'clock because of the news. It's totally fine, and I'm surprised that this is like something we could play off too. Probably a bullish engulfing right here. I mean bearish engulfing. I'm gonna drop the gun now. We'll wait. I feel like that could form something right here, especially when it's below this 200 EMA. We'll put it there as it just formed itself, but nothing solidified right now. I don't know why I can't. I can. More bullish energy for gold still. Move this. seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see what this solidified itself. I put this bearish engulfing probably too prematurely, but we didn't get in. That's all that matters. But curious if this gonna keep buying up. About a minute 30 seconds left in this candle, but is it buys? I don't think this is buys. I'm gonna delete that bearish engulfing. I don't know if this is buys or not. We're getting closer and closer to. I think this is not buys. I think it's selling. Shit, next candle will do it. About like 20 minutes, 25 minutes removed from news. Gold still buying up like we anticipated. I anticipate it's buys, but that might be what it is. But buys came from down here. Let's get rid of that because that idea is gone right now. I'm still buying it real slow. Got ways to go to sell. And if I wanted to. So action going on here. A lot of selling going around right here. Yeah, I think it can sell still here. guess we're buying on knots. Let's try and get to a certain. Unless you know what? Let's not even say that. I think that's still gonna sell. We still have 9:30. At 9:30, nothing happens at 9:30. Then we're gonna get off, and then if we get into a trade, we get into a trade. If we don't, we don't. I think yesterday that's what happens when we forced a trade yesterday. I mean, yeah, technically we forced it because it did sell after. So I feel like this is the play, but I feel like the 15-minute time frame not on the same page. Okay, you gonna do something now? Just go, don't go, still buying. Okay. it's crossing. These are crossing now, so. $30. I figure out the spread real quick on here, but I feel like this solidified itself here. Oh, damn, I didn't cross. That's the white line. Thank God we didn't get in. Alright, let's see if this starts folding now. It looks like an M. Format on the 5 minute. Let's give you something critical here. Okay. Got lots of room on a 1 hour. Lots of room on a 4 hour. I want to get in prematurely here, but we're going to wait for this to cross because we got to learn from our lesson. Yeah, prematurely. Even if it sells crazy right now. Actually, you know what? This wouldn't even be the entry anyway. I mean, the reason why we got in. So it's probably going to be this candle. So it's 9:30. Just go real quick. Man, 30 seconds. So in a 5 minute, we're in the sell zone, about to cross below the yellow area. One thing now, it's not at the top of the day. I mean, top of the zone, like we thought we were gonna be, but it's okay. It's totally fine. I really can't believe the Chairman Powell meeting's over. It usually be like an hour and a half long. Unfortunately, probably not even getting probably pass this stuff. Probably pass it over and probably get in because. Alright, it's crossing down this area again. And get rid of this line, these lines. It doesn't look like it's gonna cross down that area. You got 4 minutes until 9:30. Try to impulsively sell right here. the market is doing right now. We got minute left. If it doesn't do anything in this minute, 2-3 minutes, then I get off. We'll be okay with just not trading anything today, I believe, because gold is faking us out again. This sells, fake sells. See, 9:30 brings New York open. I'm not getting into that thing crosses. So stop loss gonna be up there anyway, regardless. Like a cross now though. Look like it could cross, didn't cross. This is selling. Of course it's selling. Instead of going up to where it needs to be. I'm not going for this. This is back buying. What is going on? This sells from here, I'd be so shocked. I mean, we're at the highest point of the day so far. I guess chart for Nas sell so far as well. I really wanted to hit this area and go back down. Maybe it's too high. Yeah, maybe it's just too high. I guess this needs to do this. I think we predicted this, but we'll see. What we're gonna do is wait, and if this crosses, if the 15, more room to go down to. We'll see what happens. Kind of figured. I had like a small percentage. Like now I was gonna do this again, but let's see if it bounces off that wick, pushes back down, close it below here. If it closes above here, we're good off of it. And we'll get off and let you know if we get into any other trades before 10 o'clock hits. Because after 10 o'clock, we do not get into anything. This looks like you just go straight up. So be careful. see. Couple seconds left. Yeah, it's like it's gonna leave us. Let's just get smushed down. Okay, got in, but I'm not forcing this. It's not something that we see. Working on our favor right now. I'm just gonna go ahead, go. But yeah, we'll get off. I'll let you know if we get into anything else. But I see you guys on Sunday structure, and we are 0 for 1 for the week. So see how that does for us. It might be gold that we get into. I think Nas is done for. I believe Nas is done for us. But we'll see. I would love to get that 1-8 versus War, but it's what it is. See if this crosses, gives a better entry, and then we'll see if we get in here. But I'll let you guys know what we do. We'll post the results and post in the chat. I'll see you guys on Sunday Structure. Peace.